Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and we are going to learn German with music. And today we have the song Halt, dich an mir fest. No? It's a little bit mean hold on me. And the song is from Revolverheld from 2010. So now I will give you some more information about the song, and then I tell you how can you use the song to improve your German. First of all, we have here a picture of the band. It's actually a band, Revolverheld, and now there are like 4 members of the band. The band was actually founded in 2002 in Hamburg, no? Also 2002 in Hamburg. And first the name was Manga. Then they decided to change it to Tsunami Killer, but then in 2004 we had like the big tsunami, so they changed it again to Revolverheld. Revolver, it's like the pistol, revolver, and held, it means hero, okay? Revolverheld. And the type of music they play, it's a little bit pop rock, no? And with really nice lyrics and also a nice melody. I really hope you will like the song. So what can we learn? Was lernt man from the song? And the song has a lot of sub-sentences, Nebensätze. And like you know, sub-sentences in German, they have a different structure because they put the verb at the end of the sentence. And so in this song we have some good examples. The song, it's a little bit about love, about life, Liebe und Leben. And we will have like in total 82 words, 82 Wörter. And also some good examples to use imperative, no? Also der Imperativ, quite interesting. So what's my favorite line in this song? I choose this one. Halt dich an mir fest, wenn dein Leben dich zerreißt. Hold on to me when your life tears you apart. No? Quite poesy, no? But a nice line, I like it. No? Halt dich an mir fest, wenn dein Leben dich zerreißt. No? Quite nice. And here we have like 3 more songs, quite famous songs of Revolverheld. I think they are really worth to listen to. First one, ich lass für dich das Licht an. I let the light on for you. Das kann uns keiner nehmen. That nobody can take us away. Liebe auf Distanz. Love with distance. No? Or to have the, no. If you are separated with your partner, it means to be separated on distance, not to be separated in your relationship. Okay, so and how can you use this song to improve your German? In my course, first of all, you try to sing the song with the original video to see a little bit what you understand, how it works. But then in the second step, you will try to sing the song with the lyrics. So that's a little bit easier. And then you will study actively all the lyrics with Quizlet until you master all the words 100%. And then actually you can sing the song, enjoy the song everywhere and everywhere you want. Okay? Yeah, that's all for now, and thank you very much for watching this video again. And if you have any ideas for a German song that could improve your German or the German of everybody, please share it to me, and I try to include this song as soon as I can in my course. Thank you again. See you soon. And now enjoy this beautiful song.